Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at first you have to go for the menu and then just find Sound Recorder application. But if you don't have it, like in my case, we have to go for the Play Store and then tap on the search pool and type Recorder. And for example, let's download Samsung application. So let's get it. Click to open. Accept this permission, and right now if you want to start record, we have to click right here. So right now our device start recording sound, and let's turn off and try how it sound. So right now our device start recording sound, and as you can hear, it's really good quality. I hope that I'll help you, and if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!